Hello, friends. Welcome back once again on Physics Passion. Today, I have brought a video for you in which I will discuss the apparent weight of a man sitting in a lift. I will discuss it on the basis of Newton's laws of motion. So, let me start the video. The weight of a body, that is equal to the reaction exerted by the surface on which the body is placed. Okay, so let me consider a man with mass, say m, who is standing on a weighing machine placed in a lift. Mean a man of mass m is there in a lift and he is standing on the weighing machine which is placed in the lift. So there can be the different cases. The first case, what can be, it is when the lift is at rest or moving with uniform velocity. You can see in the figure, acceleration a is taken to be 0. So either the lift is at rest or moving with uniform velocity, so acceleration is equal to 0. So in this case, the forces which are acting on the man, they are his own weight, which is mg, acting in the vertically downward direction, this is mg, and the reaction r of the lift, which is acting in the upward direction. As there is no acceleration in this case, so we will write mg minus r is equal to 0, or r is equal to mg. It means in this case, the weight recorded of the man, that will be the real weight of that person. So R is equal to mg means the weight recorded by the weighing machine, that will be the real weight of the man. Now we go to the second case, when the lift is moving in upward direction with uniform acceleration, say small a. So in this case, what will happen? The man presses the weighing machine and hence the lift with a force equal to his apparent weight, which is given by the reaction R. Mean in this case, the reading shown by the weighing machine, that will be the apparent weight of the man, and here again mg, weight of the man acting in the vertically downward direction, normal reaction R acting vertically upward. So R minus mg is equal to m into a, or R is equal to m into g plus a. So you can see apparent weight of the man will be greater than the real weight in this case when the lift is moving in upward direction with acceleration a. Now we come to the next case, when the lift is moving downward with uniform acceleration a. In this case, you can see mg minus r will be equal to ma, and r will be equal to mg minus a. It means the apparent weight of the man, that will be the less than the real weight of the person. Here, one special case may arise when your acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Mean if a is equal to g, then you will get r is equal to 0. It means the apparent weight of the man is 0. The sense of no weight felt by the man is called weightlessness. So this condition is said to be the weightlessness, when the person senses no weight of himself. So these are all the cases which will occur in different situations when a man is sitting in a lift and lift is moving upward or downward with uniform acceleration, or it is at rest or moving with uniform velocity. I hope the problem I have discussed you have understood. The video would be helpful for you people. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.